Hello friends, I am Satarchi. Today we are going to discuss on some important GK questions. First question, which of the following blood group is considered as universal donor? D. O is the answer. What part of the quinine plant is commonly used drug for malaria? D. Stem bark. Which of the following diseases occur when the replacement of breastfeeding by less nutritive food, low in proteins and calories, infants below the age of 1 year? B. Marasmus. Correct. What happens when the exposure to carbon monoxide from coal gas is extremely dangerous and can kill a patient? Carboxyhemoglobin is a stable compound and thus deprives blood of its ability to transport oxygen. C is correct. In how many times human will lose their consciousness if blood will stop flowing to the brain? 5 seconds. B is correct. How many bones comprise the adult human skeleton? 206 bones. B is correct. Which of the following statement is related with the sulfur source? Discharge of large quantities of finest pollen grains into the air, forming alloys clouds. B is correct. Force responsible for the ascent of sap: capillary force, transpirational force, root pressure, all the three. All the three. D is the correct answer. Filament, style, pistil, anther. Pollen is produced in the anther. D is correct answer. Testes are located within the scrotum. B is correct. What is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. D is correct answer. CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai. C is correct answer. Coniferous forests are found in Himalayas. C is correct answer. Plantation farming is a type of commercial farming. C is correct answer. Which Indian neighbor has recently declared a food emergency? D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer. The vein which brings oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs, pulmonary vein, is the correct answer. D. What is the full form of Rome? Read only memory. D is the correct answer. Which of the following is the source of adult human stem cell? Medulla. B is the correct answer. What is the time taken by sunlight to reach Earth? 8 minutes 16 seconds is the correct answer. Name the galaxy which is nearest to our galaxy Milky Way. B. Andromeda galaxy. Correct answer. Study of universe is known as B. Cosmology is the correct answer. What is the name of the world's longest range of mountains? A. Andes is the correct answer. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. C is correct. Full form of BIOS means Basic Input Output System. D is correct. What is full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. D is correct. Refer to the physical part of computer that you can see and touch. Hardware. D is correct answer. Canadian computer scientist is known as the father of the Java programming language. James Arthur Gosling, the correct answer. In the 14th century was used for the first time to plot the velocity of a constantly accelerating object against time. B. Bar chart. Correct answer. What does sum range does in Excel? Gives the sum of a range. C. Correct answer. What is the capital of Belgium? A. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Crude birth rate refer to A. The number of live childbirth per 1,000 person in a given geographical area per year. Correct answer. Which popular video game franchise has released games with the subtitle World at War and Black Ops? A. Call of Duty. Correct answer. Who is the Vice President of India? A. M. Venkaiah Naidu. Correct answer. Where is white elephants found? A. Thailand. Correct answer. Who found the first diamonds? C. Erasmus Jacobs is the correct answer.
Thanks for watching, friends. I hope this video was interesting. Please like, share and subscribe. I have recently started my channel. I need your support, friends, so that I can keep making such videos. Thank you.